गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय मां जय मां जय मां। Okay, today's question. This person has asked, there are good sanskars and bad ones. Ma says to nourish the good ones. How do you do that? Please explain. Interesting. Yes, we do have good and bad sanskars. Sanskars, how do the sanskars come about? We have taken so many lives, okay? So in every life we have done some karma or the other. Good, bad, ugly. All those accumulated karmas make sanskars. उससे जो होता है वो संस्कार बनते हैं. So जितने भी हमने कर्म किए हैं, as many karms as we have done, obviously that sanskar is a kind of a tendency. You know, the tendencies that we have within us. And that is not only of this lifetime, it is of lifetimes, you know. So naturally, wo sanskar bane. And, you know, we are born with those sanskars. So yes, there are good and there are bad. First, I'm going to read one saying of Ma. It is very beautifully put. Okay, Ma obviously says beautiful things. So Ma says, firm faith is required, but that is the great lacking. Firm faith in what? In Bhagavan. Firm faith in yourself. Firm faith is required, but that is lacking. There is no end of desires through action. Desires होती रहती है ना, तो कर्म बनते ही रहेंगे, कर्म बनते ही रहेंगे, good, bad, ugly. कर्म तो खत्म नहीं होंगे, because every time there is a new desire. That's what she's saying. There is no end of desires through action. Endless desires appear one after another. All other desires are abolished when one dwells only in the desire for God. बहुत सारी desires होती हैं हमारी, ये वो. But एक desire अगर पकड़ के रखो और भगवान का नाम लेते जाओ, all other desires will vanish. वो dissolve हो जाते हैं. They just disappear. That's what she's saying. Only in the desire for God. If day after day one waters at the root of a tree without caring for its branches and leaves. ये क्या है? Root of the tree. We are the tree. हमारे root, हमारा inside, we go on watering. जब करते जाएं, जब करते जाएं, नाम करते जाएं, तो जो ऊपरी layers है, the superficial layers of the leaves and the branches, don't bother about that. What are those superficial layers of leaves and branches? What karmas we have formed and we've come. We are covered with those, right? It's all over us. Don't bother about that. Ma is saying water. You're inside. Beautifully done. If day after day one waters at the root of a tree without caring for its branches and leaves, then it will be seen that all the old leaves of the tree will fall and new leaves will appear. Likewise, without paying heed to anything else, if man chants the name only, then he will be liberated from the past sanskars and will get a new life. So you don't have to bother about मैं क्या संस्कार लेके आया हूँ या what sanskars I've got. Don't concentrate on that. Ma is saying just concentrate on the Naam, which I'm repeatedly saying, name is so important. Bhagwan ka naam is so important. Just naam karte jao, naam mein sab kuch hai. Ma has said herself, just do naam and everything is possible. With naam, everything will disappear and what has to appear will appear. So don't bother about your old leaves and branches that you are carrying with you in terms of sanskars. Forget it. Just go on watering your inside the root of your being. Just go on watering by doing jap, naam constantly. And those old leaves and branches will disappear. and new leaves and branches will come up of sanskars, which will be what? Nourishing your sanskar, which Ma has said. Nourish the new ones, nourish the good ones. How do you nourish the good ones? Go on watering. Naam karte jao, naam karte jao. Ma has sung a song also on that, I don't remember now. Naam kiye ja, something like that, you know. Ma has sung that. Naam kiye ja. I'm not able to remember the whole thing. But it's all about naam. Naam karte karte karte, all the old sanskars will disappear. And what are the new sanskars? What you are asking. How do you nourish the good ones? Go on nourishing. Watering your plant, watering the tree that you are. Go on watering yourself in the naam constantly, constantly. Old sanskars will run away. Why? Because the naam is so powerful. The naam will wipe off everything. You know, the moment this person asked me this question, Ma ki kya leela hai, I really don't know. I was going through Ma's sayings, you know, and I wanted to put a saying on Instagram. And suddenly I come across this saying and I said, oh my God, this is the question that this person has asked me. And immediately here's the saying of Ma. Ma sunti hai. Ma sunti hai. So ये इनका जो सवाल था, Ma has quickly answered it without me going into more details. The whole answer is here. If you like, I can repeat it. Firm faith is required, but that is the great lacking. Firm faith in what? कि नाम करने से पुराने संस्कार चले जाएंगे, नए संस्कार बनेंगे जो नरिश होंगे आपके good संस्कार. So firm faith is required, but that is the great lacking. There is no end of desires through action. Endless desires appear one after another. All other desires are abolished when one dwells only in the desire for God. If day after day one waters at the root of a tree without caring for its branches and leaves, then it will be seen that all the old leaves of the tree will fall and new leaves will appear. Likewise, without paying heed to anything else, if man chants the name only, then he will be liberated from the past sanskars, liberated from the past sanskars. What is past sanskar? Impressions of past karmas, your tendencies, everything, and will get a new life. So beautifully said. Ma was so apt. You know, जब भी कोई सवाल पूछे, इतना simply she used to answer in such simple words, simple language, no complication, simplicity, so that everybody understands. So, you know, your question was a very good one. There are good sanskars and bad ones. Ma says to nourish the good ones. How do you do that? So I hope I'm clear. How do you do that? फिर और भी चीजें हैं. सत्संग करो, महात्माओं से मिलो, read scriptures, do this, do that. But the best thing Ma has said, go on doing naam and don't bother about anything else. Naam kiye ja, naam kiye ja, naam kiye ja, naam kiye ja. I don't remember the tune, I don't remember anything. I just remember these words. And when Ma says naam kiye ja, what are we thinking of? Nothing else is required to remove the bad sanskars. And the new good ones will come up. Just by the name. Name is so powerful. It is so potent. It can move mountains. Naam se sab kuch. Naam mein sab kuch. So that is that. Jai Ma. Om Bhavatab Pranashinne Ananda Ghanamurtaye Jnana Bhakti Pradayinne Matastubhyam Namo Namaha. Jai Ma, Jai Ma.